What's up, YouTube? Alright, as you guys could see, it's pretty dark. It's like late evening. It's like almost 7 o'clock. 7 p.m. We're gonna run through this video. My student here is gonna be testing tomorrow. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Alright, so we're gonna be running through the driving test. We're at the Broward County location. As usual, I can't say where we are, but if you know Broward County, you would know. You would have a good idea of where we are, right? So we're gonna run through the test real quick. So they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Left away from the curb.
What else do you do?
And I put the
Put the car in park.
Put the car in park and pull up the
Parking brake.
Parking brake.
And then
turn off the heat.
Turn off the key. Cool. Alright, so they're gonna ask you to do the turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. Again, they're asking you to do that so they can make sure that the brake lights are working, the turn signal lights are working, the horn's working. They will not take you out in a car if those things are not working, right? Alright, so they're gonna ask you to reverse from here and go to the left. So go ahead, reverse. Keep the wheel straight, remember? You're backing straight out. When your mirror gets to the end of the line, then you're gonna turn all the way to the right. So look behind you. Make sure you look behind. They don't want you using the mirror. Okay. About here, you're gonna stop, turn all the way right, and look behind you. Continue looking behind as you reverse. Alright, you're gonna stop about here. Put the car back in drive. Alright, we're gonna go down to the stop sign right here and make a left turn. So every time they tell you to turn, you make sure you signal, right? So signal left, and you come to a complete stop at this stop sign. And then we are turning. 1, 2, 3. So when you stop, you count to 3 just to make sure that, you know, they can't say you did not stop. Alright, we're gonna go down to the end of this road here and make a left turn at the stop sign. Make sure you stop at the stop sign. I'm just saying, complete stop. But, stop completely. 1, 2, 3. So you look both ways, make sure it's clear, and go ahead. Make your left turn. Alright, we're gonna go down to the end and make a left. Always full of raccoons. Look at that, 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 look at that. Oh my god, he's so big and fat. Look at that. Go ahead. Dutch pot, there's no Dutch pot.
I smell some Jamaican food.
Alright, we're making a right turn. There's a Haitian restaurant right there, it's not Jamaican food. Make it right. So you got to make sure your mirror is past the curb here, right? Oh. So your back wheel will pass the curb. That's what I mean. Okay. If your mirror is not past the curb, the back wheel will hit the curb. So we're gonna straighten up right here. Straighten up right here, and stop. Alright, reverse, straight back. Okay, now we're gonna speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. 20 miles per hour. Speed up and stop. Okay. Alright. Reverse, straight back. Okay, that's good enough. Stop. You see how quickly it got dark? Like, what in the hell? Put it in drive. It got like dark, like instantly, like seriously. Now we're gonna go around the corner. Light is so unnatural. Alright, so now we're gonna park in between those cones right there. Alright, reverse. And we're gonna go to the right to do the 3-point turn. So as soon as your mirror is past the cone, you're gonna turn all the way to the right and continue looking back as you roll back. And stop. Put the car in drive. We're gonna pull up next to the right side so we can do the 3-point turn. That food smells good from over here, for real.
That's how it
Pull
smells.
close to the right side. Stop here. And we're going to do the 3-point turn. Signal left. Turn all the way left. Having on your hoodie and all that. Yeah, but take your hoodie off so they could see what you look like.
Okay.
Reverse. All the way right. And when your mirror is past the middle here, you're gonna stop like that's good. Put it in drive again. Signal left. Turn all the way left. It's amazing how quickly it got dark though. Like seriously, like in 10 minutes, the thing got super dark. Like what is up with that? All right, we're gonna go to the stop sign here and make a left turn. Stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Wait for this white car and then we're gonna make a left. Alright, go ahead. I don't know what they're doing. And we're gonna go all the way down to the end. So stay in the right lane. Make sure you go to your right lane and then make a quick left turn right here. So, little tractor trailer right here. Pull up next to the line on the right side and park on the left. Again, the closer you are to the right side, the easier it is to park. So line up your mirror, turn all the way left. Straighten up and pull straight in right there. Straighten the wheel back to the middle right there. Pull in and stop. Put it in park. Alright, so tell me, how you think you did?
I think I did good besides the curb part. We're not gonna talk about that.
Yeah, but we're gonna make sure she does not hit the curb in her driving test.
Yeah, because we don't want to hit the curb when I'm actually driving.
Exactly, because then you will be getting a big fat F. So yeah, she did good. That's the only thing she didn't do correctly. She was actually too close to the curb. Y'all hear me say that all the time. You have to make sure your mirror, like the actual mirror here, is past the curb before you turn. Otherwise, your back wheel will hit the curb. And she actually did hit the curb. So that's just another.
I know y'all heard that big boom.
Yeah, that's the same thing that I've been talking about. So yeah, when you're driving and you're making the right turn, make sure you go up until your mirror is actually past the curb before you turn. Other than that, she did great. So I'm sure she will pass because we're going to practice one more time and then she's going to test tomorrow. I'll put in the description what she got because I'm sure she'll get really good marks because she's a good driver.
Yeah, y'all hear that? I'm a good driver.
Yeah. So tell them to subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all watch the video so y'all can learn how to drive because let me tell you, I didn't know how to drive before this.
Okay. Yeah, she's doing really well though. So yeah, thanks for watching. Actually, if you guys have not subscribed already, I'm asking you please to subscribe. I've been begging you guys to subscribe. So I have 13,000 subscribers. You know, I should have been 50,000 by now, but it's whatever. So yeah, please subscribe to the channel, share the channel, tell your friends about it, hit that notification bell, and I will see you on the next video.